Python is incredibly versatile, often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Imagine a tool that can build websites, analyze data, and even power artificial intelligence applications. That's Python. It seamlessly integrates into various fields, making it a go-to language for many developers. It's known for its clear syntax, making it beginner-friendly and easy to learn for newcomers. Python's real power lies in its extensive libraries, collections of pre-built code that act like specialized toolboxes for various tasks. In this digital age, understanding how networks function is crucial for many tech professionals. Python, with its rich ecosystem of libraries, provides the perfect tools to explore the fascinating world of network programming and ethical hacking. Whether you're interested in building network applications, automating repetitive tasks, or delving into the realm of cybersecurity, Python has something for you. Let's explore some of the key libraries that can empower you in these domains, making your work more efficient and effective. Network programming involves creating software that communicates over a network. Think of it as establishing the rules for how computers talk to each other online. Python shines in this area, offering powerful libraries that simplify network tasks. These libraries act like specialized languages within Python, specifically designed for networking. Whether you're fetching data from websites, building custom network protocols, or developing network applications, Python has the right tools for the job. Let's delve into 3 prominent Python libraries that form the backbone of network programming: Scapy, Requests, and Twisted. Imagine being able to craft and decode network packets, the fundamental units of data that travel across the internet. Scapy empowers you to do just that. It's like having a network sniffer and a packet crafting toolkit all rolled into one. Security researchers use Scapy to analyze network traffic, identify vulnerabilities, and test security mechanisms. Network administrators leverage it for network troubleshooting and performance analysis. With Scapy, you can forge and send custom packets, simulate network attacks, for educational purposes of course, and analyze network behavior in depth. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to understand the intricacies of network communication. Interacting with websites and web services is a fundamental aspect of network programming. It's the backbone of how modern applications communicate and share data. Requests simplifies this process significantly, making it accessible even for those new to programming. It allows you to send HTTP requests, the language of the web, with remarkable ease, streamlining the process. Whether you're retrieving data from an API, automating web tasks, or building web scrapers, Requests has you covered. It's versatile and powerful. It handles the complexities of HTTP connections, headers, and data encoding, so you don't have to worry about the intricate details, allowing you to focus on extracting the information you need. This makes your workflow more efficient and productive. The beauty of Requests lies in its simplicity and elegance. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. With just a few lines of code, you can achieve complex tasks that would otherwise require much more effort. You can make powerful web requests and process the responses effortlessly. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, building great applications. It's a must-have library for any Python developer working with web technologies. Its reliability and ease of use make it indispensable. Building robust and scalable network applications often involves dealing with asynchronous events. This means handling multiple network connections simultaneously without blocking the execution of other tasks. This is where Twisted comes in. Twisted is an event-driven networking engine that excels at managing concurrency. It provides a framework for building high-performance network applications, such as chat servers, web servers, and more. With Twisted, you can write code that responds efficiently to network events as they occur, making it ideal for applications that require real-time interaction or handle a large number of simultaneous connections. Ethical hacking, often referred to as penetration testing, plays a crucial role in today's interconnected world. It involves employing hacking techniques to identify and address security vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. Ethical hackers operate with permission and adhere to ethical guidelines. Python, with its versatility and powerful libraries, has become a go-to language for ethical hackers. It provides the tools needed to automate tasks, scan for vulnerabilities, and simulate attacks to assess the security posture of systems. Let's explore 3 prominent Python libraries that are widely used in the realm of ethical hacking: Nmap, Paramiko, and PyCrypto. Paramiko. Secure remote access made easy. Secure Shell, or SSH, is a cryptographic network protocol used for secure remote login and command execution. Paramiko provides a Python interface to SSH, allowing you to automate secure connections to remote systems. Ethical hackers use Paramiko to interact with servers securely, upload and download files, and execute commands remotely. It's particularly useful for tasks like automated security patching, log analysis, and incident response. By providing a secure and reliable way to manage remote systems, Paramiko streamlines various security-related tasks, making it an essential tool for ethical hackers and system administrators alike. PyCrypto, safeguarding secrets in a connected world. Cryptography forms the bedrock of cybersecurity, providing the essential framework for protecting digital information. It involves securing information and communications through codes, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access sensitive data, thus maintaining confidentiality and integrity. PyCrypto is a powerful Python library that brings cryptographic capabilities to your fingertips, making it easier for developers to implement security features. With PyCrypto, you can encrypt and decrypt data using various algorithms such as AES, DES, and RSA, providing robust security options. You can also generate secure keys and hashes and implement digital signatures to verify the authenticity of data. These techniques are crucial for protecting sensitive information, both in transit and at rest, ensuring data remains secure. Ethical hackers use PyCrypto to analyze encryption schemes, identify potential weaknesses, test for vulnerabilities in cryptographic implementations, and ensure that systems are resilient against attacks. They also develop secure communication channels, safeguarding data exchanges over networks. PyCrypto is an essential tool for anyone involved in security testing or building secure applications, providing the necessary tools to protect digital assets. Mastering the tools, your gateway to endless possibilities. Learning these Python libraries opens a world of opportunities in network programming and ethical hacking. These skills are highly sought after in today's job market. Network engineers build and maintain robust network infrastructures. Security analysts protect organizations from cyber threats. Penetration testers proactively identify and fix security vulnerabilities. Software developers create secure and efficient network applications. Beyond specific job roles, understanding these libraries empowers you to navigate the digital world with greater knowledge and confidence. You'll gain valuable insights into how networks function, the importance of security, and the power of automation.